Debt is not money. People think banks give us money. What's actually happening is something else entirely. Banks don't distribute money, they create it. And paradoxically, the raw material of that production is you. Think about it. You go to a bank. You don't have the money. The bank doesn't have that much cash in its vault either. But the system suddenly tells you that you've been given $10,000. Where did this money come from? Nowhere. A number was typed into a database. And you are required to pay that number back with real labor. There is a massive gap between the money a bank physically has and the credit it gives you. The bank creates 90% of it out of nothing. That's why a loan is not money. It's a number created by a bank. But you, in exchange for that number, you pay with real labor, real time, and real money. Banks don't sell products. Banks sell income streams. Your future salary is their profit. When a bank gives you a loan, the only thing it's really doing is this. Will this person work for 5 years and make me money? You are not a customer. You are a long-term project. The installment system does not make you free. On the contrary, it builds an economy tied to you. A regular monthly payment forces you into a regular working life. So when a bank gives you a loan, what it's really saying is this. I am guaranteeing that this person will work every month. As long as this continues, the bank wins, because every time you work, the bank creates money. Most loan approvals are now automated. The goal of the system is to keep the economy moving. Money only has value when it circulates. And because you are the one who keeps that cycle moving, the system is eager to give you credit. The bank's product is not a phone, not a car, not a house. The bank's product is debt, and the one who uses that debt is you. Most of a bank's income comes from 3 things: interest, fees, late payment charges. So the longer your loan lasts, the more you borrow, the more you delay, the more profitable you become for the system. Debt is really just selling your future to the present. When you take out a car loan, you drive the car today, but you mortgage your future months. What matters to banks is getting you to that future. Because if you don't reach it, the bank loses. That's why the system that traps you is also the one that keeps you standing. Debt increases consumption. Consumption increases company profits. As profits rise, the economy grows. As the economy grows, more credit is issued. Over time, this cycle becomes a necessity. Because for the system to survive, all of us need to be in debt. Now let's return to the first sentence. Banks do not give you money. True, because that money never existed in the first place. It is created by the system using your future labor. When you take on a loan, what the bank gives you is not money. It's a preview of the labor it will take from you in the future. The purpose of this video is not to scare you, it's to help you understand the system. When you understand something, you stop being owned by it. Now you know the truth. Banks do not sell money, they sell the future. And when you live knowing that, you step outside the game.